Hello, my name is Chitate. I'll be doing a video on robotics. Okay, so what is robotics? I know most of you are beginning to wonder what really is robotics. Well, stay tuned as we get straight into it. Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of computer science and engineering. Robotics involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans. Moving on. What is a robot? A robot is a machine, usually one programmable by a computer, that can carry out complex series of actions automatically. A robot works by having a processor that controls its movement. This can be a set task, for example, moving an arm backward and forward repeatedly, or its action can depend upon the environment it is in. This requires sensors to be attached to the robot and they feed data to the processor, so it can decide what to do next. Moving on to the parts of a robot. The first one are sensors, the second one effectors, the third one actuators, the fourth controllers, and the fifth the arms. There are several types of robots. The first type is an android. These ones resemble humans and their physical structure also resembles the one of humans. An android is a humanoid robot designed to be similar in form to humans. Some androids are built with the same basic physical structure and kinetic capabilities as humans, but are not intended to really resemble humans. They may have jointed arms and legs, for example, that are capable of moving in the same way that humans' limbs do, but have a plastic or metal exterior that in no way mimics human appearance. Examples of this type of robots include Aldebaran Robotics, now a Google-owned Boston Dynamics Atlas robot. The picture that is currently displayed on the screen shows an example of a humanoid robot or android robot. As you can see, it is built in a way that it looks like a human with the arms, legs, and even the face. Okay, so the next type of robot is a telechair. A telechair is a complex robot that is remotely controlled by a human operator for a tele. It gives that individual the sense of being on a location in a remote, dangerous, or alien environment, and enables them to interact with it since the telechair continuously provides sensory feedback. The picture that is currently displayed on the screen shows an example of a telechair robot, which is remotely controlled and is used in dangerous environments. The next type of a robot is a telepresence robot. Telepresence robot is a computer, tablet, or smartphone controlled robot which allows those who engage with the robot to view and hear the robot's operator, while the operator can view what the robot is looking at as well. A typical modern telepresence robot contains a tablet computer that performs two functions: video communication and commands transmission to control the robot's movement. The transfer of commands from the tablet to the wheelbase is carried out by wires via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Moving on to the other type of robots. This other type is known as the industrial robots. These are some of the most common robots used in industry. These are used in functions such as assembling cars and are used also in factories for automatic installation of things. Yeah. The other type of robots are swarm robots. What is meant by swarm robotics? Swarm robotics is the use of numerous autonomous robotics to accomplish a task. Robot swarms coordinate the behaviors of a large number of relatively simple robots in a decentralized manner. Swarm robotics plays an important role in the development of collective artificial intelligence (AI). Last but not least, we have smart robots. A smart robot is an artificial intelligence system that can learn from its environment and its experience and build its capabilities based on that knowledge. Smart robots can collaborate with humans, working alongside them and learning from their behavior. An early example of a smart robot is Baxter, produced by Rethink Robotics of Boston, Massachusetts. Baxter is an industrial android humanoid robot that can work right next to line employees on factory floor, often working on highly repetitive tasks such as precision packing. Moving on to the advantages of robots. Number one, robots produce fewer errors. Number two, they produce higher quality. Number three, less downtime. Number four, higher productivity. Number five, less space utilization. Number six, more energy efficiency. Number seven, improved security and control. Number seven, reduced in pick and pack ship times. Okay, what they mean by fewer errors is that robots, because of their efficiency as well as their accuracy, they produce less errors compared to that of humans. Higher quality just means that robots can produce things of higher quality because of their efficiency as well as their more accuracy. Less downtime. Robots can work for 24 hours non-stop, which is something that humans cannot do. Higher productivity simply means that they can produce more than humans can because they are fast and require less resting time. Less space utilization. One robot can do as many tasks as 100 people can do. Um, More energy efficiency just means that robot can go for many hours doing work without needing more fuel compared to humans. Humans need to rest, they have to go to sleep, they have to eat more food. Humans don't eat, they just need fuel and they can kick off. Improve security. Robots can produce a robot can produce monitoring systems such as passwords, biometric systems. Yeah. Reduced in pick, pack, and ship times. Robots are fast, which means that you can reduce the peak time, the pack, and moving on to the disadvantages of robots. They're expensive to buy. They find it difficult to do unusual or one-off tasks because they are programmed to do specific tasks usually. They are replacing skilled labor, leading to unemployment. Robots are now causing unemployment because they can do many tasks on their own, which is now cheaper for companies because they can just hire one robot or they can just buy one robot and it will do many jobs. Robots are de-skilling loss of skills or workforce because robots do many of the tasks once done by humans. Because robots are independent of the skills base, factories can be moved anywhere in the world again, causing unemployment. Yeah, thank you. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for listening and watching.